This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976, and thepodcastingstore.com, the one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. This is your weekend update. So I think all of you that attended will agree CMEA was awesome. Thank you all so much who came to our Thursday night live session. That was just so much fun. And thank you for everyone that attended the pre-recorded sessions that we sponsored, the one that Charlie and Don did on podcasting and the virtual director, and the one that Kevin did on the history of swing. They're great videos, and I'm really glad that we were able to deliver those to you. The cooking videos that we did in conjunction with the Mayor of Old Town are live on our YouTube channel, and there's going to be some links that I'm going to try to post in this video to that, so you can get to see those if you missed them or if you want to watch them again. And they also include the how-to with the gear that we used and how we used it. So I want to make sure that everyone had a chance to see that as well. And the winners of the Galaxy GTV wireless systems. So the way I did it was in order of when we received your entry, you were assigned a number, and then I just did a random number generation. And so for the e-newsletter subscribers, Russ Massey is our winner. And for the CMEA conference attendees, it's Diane. So I'll be contacting you about getting your prizes, and thank you so much for participating, and everyone else for participating too. It was such a success that I think we're going to do another one kind of like that, but slightly different in February. So be on the lookout for that, because that's going to be coming up rapidly. The videos. So last week we did the R0DE Wireless lavalier microphone test. So if you haven't seen that one, check it out. And this week I'm going to do one that's for Boomer Music. I've been concentrating on podcasting store stuff so much that I've kind of neglected Boomer. And this one's going to be on care and feeding of your trumpet, specifically trumpet valves, and some strategies to clean them and take care of them. I feel like that's something that kids don't necessarily know as much as they should, so I think every little bit of information is going to help to keep their horns in really good shape. So that's it for this week so far. So be on the lookout for the new stuff. And again, thank you all so much for making CMEA such a success. It was a lot of fun, and I'll be talking with you soon. If you enjoyed the Weekend Update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.